How to fix Windows task host is stopping background task issue. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys quickly how you can get rid of this error. So if you are trying to shut down your computer and the window task host error pops up on your screen, this might be because your programs might not have been completely closed. So let me just show you guys a picture of it. So what it looks like is it will tell you that the task host window is stopping background tasks. This might be because you have to know that task host window is a system program that ensures that all of the previously opened programs are closed completely to ensure that you don't get any of your files corrupted. So that's basically what it does. So what it's hinting is that you need to go ahead and disable this path right here. So what you need to do now is open up your task scheduler. Go ahead and search for task scheduler on your search bar and open it up. Now, once you open up your task scheduler, all you have to do now is simply go ahead and search for this path right here. Let me just bring it here. You're going to click on this library drop down, go to Microsoft, and go to Windows. And this might be different because this picture right here is different, but it might be different on your case. You need to find out the path and just follow this on your task scheduler. So from here, it's Windows and then Concept UX. But if I just scroll down here, that is not available. So click on this Context UX and then Unified Contents. And once you get here, what you can do is there is another one, Unified Context Syntax, but it might be different. All you have to do is if it is enabled, you can just go ahead and click on disable. There is also an option to delete it, but I do not suggest you do that. Just keep it disabled, and once you disable this, you can enable it anytime you want. So just go ahead and disable this and your problem should be fixed. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.